Okay, hello, hi, and welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm just trying to demonstrate like beautiful method. Okay, that's a sweet method that helps you in astrophotography. Okay, so as you can see, there's a light beam, like a laser light beamer. This is a holder for the laser beamer. Okay, it's usually meant for finder scopes. Okay, but you can't just get that. It's just, as you can see, this is a ring. I'm gonna rotate it all for you. And this is my Nikon D800 camera. It's a full frame camera. Okay, an FX camera, and I've attached to it the telescope. So basically, this is how astrophotography generally is done. Okay, generally. So you have a telescope. There's a you might need a barlow here. Okay, let me show you, because in order to let the image be focused. Okay, this is a barlow inside here. Okay, so this is a barlow lens here. Okay, you need the barlow lens is better that it has screw threads in order to sit inside the ring that's coming here. Okay, okay, and this. So this is the Nikon F mount ring. This is an F mount here. This side, see, these are, look at it. This is an F mount. Okay, this is a barrel lens. Okay, it's a barrel lens. This is what it's called. But this is this is the 1.5 barrel lens. This is now rare to find. But all you can get now is the 2x barrel lens. And here, let me make it nearer by zooming in. So as you can see here, I'm intentionally recording a low resolution, so please never mind that. So don't think there is something with your computer. Okay, so or your telephone. So this here, this part which sits on this silver part here. Okay, like an insert. Okay, look for camera shoe. I think this is what they call it, a camera shoe. Okay, shoe like your foot shoe. Okay, like your feet. Okay, and yeah, here you'll have like a screw coming out. There's a ring here. Okay, okay. There's a ring here that holds this ring holder. Okay, the one on the top. So it holds it like by pressing on it with a roundel here. Okay, there is a roundel here, and it holds it like by holding it. Okay, so it's like this, and there's a ring and holds it like this. Okay, so by screwing it, of course. Okay, and that's it. So the rest is just a matter of calibrating your pointing. Okay, at any star, at anything. Okay, this is done directly with the camera. Okay, so when you have like a motorized telescope, this is not needed too much. Okay, although it's preferred that you have to it's preferred that you add laser pointer on the and sometimes feel it's a must. Okay, sometimes I feel it's a must. So you point the telescope for the first time. Okay, the motorized one. Okay, with a tracker, a star tracker, in order just to like make that telescope be aligned with the sky. That's it. Okay, so this is the whole thing about astrophotography. Plus things that I don't wanna forget is that for the stars, not the planets, the stars generally. What you should do is learn about long exposures. Okay, and how to make the camera be open for a longer time. Okay, so something like when you do it like this, you hold the camera and you hear that the camera lens has been opened. So you see it here. Okay, inside. See, when I just change the way this is now, there's a mirror that makes the light goes through the finder over here. Okay, so it makes this zigzag style. Okay, so light comes in, you watch it from here, as if you're saying to, as if I'm saying to you in the voice way. I'm just redirecting the voice through here. This time redirecting the light through here. So as if you're, instead, like by hearing, okay, not that you'll be hearing from here, no, here you'll be listening from here. Okay, I mean, say it, watching from here. So when I click here, okay, this button, so the, see, I'm gonna, this is not the sensor, this is where the real actual thing goes. Okay, so look at me here also. Okay, so if I remove, click here. Okay, so okay, so this is what the camera is all about. Okay, and this is what astrophotography. So what you need is, and you should do when you do record stars, that you will have to have the sensor be like, and the mirror. This is a mirror here that clicks every time. So this is this mirror. You'll have to open it like I told you, like this. Okay, and then you will have to keep the sensor seeing the star directly, okay, for a number of seconds. Okay, and you have to keep it following the star, otherwise the star will make a streak on the sensor page. Okay, so that's why you get you will get like a line instead of just a single dot. Okay, and that's it. Okay, thanks for watching. Goodbye. Please subscribe and like our channel, and every Saturday and Wednesday we have a live session at 8 p.m. Beirut time. Okay, fix your watch. Okay, fix your clock. Thanks. Bye.